शेयर स्कोर। आई एम इन आबू धाबी और हमारे होटल में अभी इतनी मीटिंग्स हो रही है, सरपंच साहब के साथ हो रहे हैं, ओनर्स के साथ हो रहे हैं, एनालिस्ट के साथ, सीईओ, इवन रिकी पॉन्टिंग इज ऑन अ जूम कॉल। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू नो कि सिलेक्शन की क्या बातें हो रही हैं, वो तो आप नहीं जानोगे, लेकिन आई कैन टेक यू बिहाइंड द सीन्स। अच्छा, हेलो, आई नो tomorrow is the auction and I know you both are very very busy men, and I also know that a lot is going on, but I also know that you love the fans and we have to give the fans what they want.
Okay.
So guys, I know आपने बहुत सारे questions भेजे थे. There were a lot of questions in the comments. First and foremost, the question that have come is, which is directly about the auction. Are you guys in a happy place? Because you already have retained 21 people, so you have no stress at all. Is that true or false?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah? Happy place?
Yeah.
ज़्यादा tension नहीं है?
No tension.
What do you think? Do you think that retaining 21 is a sense of confidence, or it is actually all eyes will be on you because you only have a few players to catch?
Yeah, I mean, retaining 21 players is a clear indication of the fact that we have so much confidence in our players.
Amazing.
It can't be better than this.
What do you want people to think after this auction? Punjab has played it safe, or Punjab has has done something that is worth looking at?
But they love us for what we picked.
So whatever done is going to be
Absolutely. Our fans are our favorites.
amazing. Thank you for your time. I will leave you at it. Okay, so अब सब डिनर के लिए जा रहे हैं. मुझे अपनी डायरी मिल गई है फाइनली. स्ट्रैटेजी रूम आज रात के लिए बंद हो रहे हैं एंड टुमारो इज ऑक्शन मॉर्निंग. तो यहाँ हम कट करेंगे एंड आई विल सी यू डायरेक्टली ऑन द मॉर्निंग ऑफ द मिनी ऑक्शन फॉर IPL 2026. Good morning from Abu Dhabi. Today is the day of the auction. Actually, morning of the auction. पीछे अगर हम देख सकते हैं हमारे बहुत ही handsome सरपंच साहब photo shoot कर रहे हैं because he's getting ready for the auction, and our entire team is inside getting ready. After this session is over and everyone has met together, we are going to leave this hotel and we are going to see you at the Etihad Arena where the auction is happening. देखो, आई टोल्ड यू एज अ इनसाइडर आई शो यू एवरीथिंग. तो हमने एंट्री कर ली. अब एंट्री रेड कार्पेट है नीचे, वहाँ पीछे ब्रॉडकास्ट टीम हमारे कैप्टन श्रेयस अय्यर का इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. यहाँ पे सबका इंटरव्यू होता है एक एक करके एंड फिर हम अरीना के अंदर जाते हैं. सो दैट वाज द एंट्री. दिस इज रेड कार्पेट इंटरव्यू एंड देन वी गोइंग टू एंटर द ऑक्शन एरिया. ये मोटो, ये रहेगा मोटो. आज का ऑक्शन आई विल एक्चुअली टेल अस अबाउट बस जीतना है. Okay, this is the auction room. We are here. सारे teams की यहाँ पर tables हैं. पंजाब किंग्स की table यहाँ है. As obvious, again, they are doing their strategy and they're talking, which is amazing. आप पीछे देखो तो हमारे fans भी हैं उस corner में पंजाब किंग्स के. They have also come, and this is where all the magic is happening behind me, right here. अभी I know I don't want to disturb them, but because I love you so much and we want to do this with you, थोड़ा disturb कर सकते हैं. आ जाओ. मुझे डर लग रहा है सर्स को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए. मैं परमिशन मांग लेती हूँ पहले. हेलो सर, सौरभ टोल्ड मी आई कैन कम एंड डिस्टर्ब यू फॉर अ मिनट. कैन आई? या, ओके. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो हाउ आर द नर्व्स. अभी तो वी हैवंट बिड फॉर एनीवन, वी हैवंट डन एनीथिंग, बट सम एक्शन इन प्लान for the next 1 hour?
Yeah, I think when our opportunity comes, we'll definitely go on for the players which we are trying to fill up the gaps with.
Right.
Yeah, so
Strategic decision.
yeah, it's just I think we're waiting for the right time. We're not hurrying up with things, taking a call, assessing how the entire the other franchisees are demanding.
Wait in Punjabi, holle holle.
Acha, holle holle.
Holle.
Exactly, holle holle.
Okay guys, so we are showing you that all is well, holle holle, and the bidding is going to start soon, and this is the Punjab Kings table. Guys, it is 4:12, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटे हो गए ऑक्शन को और पंजाब ने एक भी बिड नहीं किया है. तो आपके कमेंट्स और DMs आ रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है? सर, सौरभ सर, do you want to tell the fans why hasn't our card gone out?
So we are waiting for the certain skill set. Don't worry, we'll get what we want. Yeah, and the skill set we are after, we definitely gonna.
ये होने वाला, I don't have this, but this is going to go up soon. We just have to wait, guys. Guys, the Mumbai Indian boss is talking to सरपंच साहब और I don't know क्या बातें हो रही है. मैं eavesdrop करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. जो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है वो बोल रहे हैं, सर आप इतना बढ़िया खेलते हैं, कभी हमें भी मौका दीजिए. एंड श्रेयस इज सेइंग, आई नो मैं मुंबई का लड़का हूँ लेकिन माय लॉयल्टीज आर पंजाब किंग्स. मुझे ये सुनाई दे रहा है. Can you tell me in the comments what do you think they're talking about? Because they've been talking since 20 minutes. Firstly, congratulations. Our first bid, and it came to us. All the fans were really nervous and they were very skeptical. What's happening? Punjab, what's happening? Do you want to tell them now?
Well, I mean, we were looking at Cooper Connolly all along. You know, I said nothing yesterday that we weren't looking at anything because that's just the way sometimes it pans out.
The cat is out of the bag.
Yeah, so Cooper Connolly is a great player.
So you played against Cooper recently in Australia. Did that help you guys strategize that you guys wanted him?
Yeah, to be honest, he wasn't there in our minds at the start, but later on, when we were brainstorming,
Yeah.
when we zeroed into one player, he was the one who fitted pretty well in that position.
Amazing.
So that was the first. And then after that, I played few matches, domestic games, Australia A versus India A, and then also in Adelaide.
Yes.
He's got a great temperament. He's got that ability to finish off the games.
Yeah.
So I think all these characteristics matter a lot when it comes to IPL as well.
So it was something that you thought of and it's something that you got.
Yeah, absolutely. But we didn't think that we would be getting for around 3. We thought
Much
we
better.
had much more
I
budget.
think that's the beauty of the auction. Congratulations. I know there are plenty more coming, so we can go. Thank you. Congratulations. Our 25 squad is ready. We have welcomed back Praveen Dubey into the family. मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई जब उनकी सिलेक्शन हुई. जब राहुल चहर का थोड़ा CSK versus पंजाब हो रहा था, and of course we've got another Aussie in the team. But so far so good. बात करते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है. Everyone looks very relaxed. सब snacks खा रहे हैं. But let's talk. Sairaj sir,
Yes.
I have to take a minute of yours.
Yeah, sure.
I want to talk about the CSK versus Punjab battle during Rahul Chahar. Here, where is this? Or hold this.
Yeah, I think it was very interesting because we needed a experienced bowler. So Rahul is obviously an experienced bowler, and if like to replacement at times for Yuzi, but obviously that was a big sort of a gig between the both of us, and I'm sure I think there was a point where we had to just take it.
But tell me, was it a disappointment letting him go? Or it was
Yeah, we had decided to go on to a certain amount. Yeah,
Yes,
it was disappointing to a certain extent. But what can you do? You have to keep some money for the other players, the overseas as well.
amazing. Satish, are you happy with the squad 25? Yeah, but you can also talk. And are you happy with having Praveen Dubey back into the family?
Completely.
Was that planned?
Of course.
Amazing, Praveen. Welcome back home.
Ashish.
And there's also a chatter about how Punjab loves the Australians. We have another Aussie in our team.
I think he's a very good prospect. He's very highly talented.
Great stats.
Yeah, absolutely. So he's highly talented. He's got the skills, and obviously with Ricky being there, they'll respond absolutely
Yeah.
fine. And I think he'll be a good blend to the team as well.
Ness, the crowd, the fans were so happy with this 25 and still money in the bank.
Still money in the bank is always good. Better opportunities to spend money on things which we can use.
Yeah.
I think the whole objective is to have a good team, and then to also have, I keep saying, we have to be, our A game in cricket and our A game off the field.
Well, that's
So I think this allows us to spend a little bit more money than we would have envisaged, and we're happy.
okay, ready? Praveen Dubey, welcome back to the family. We missed you. Then we have Cooper Connolly. I have seen him play in Australia and he is brilliant. I'm sure Ponting is really happy. Again, another Aussie because we love them. We have Ben. Amazing stats. Everyone was really, really happy with this selection. And last but not the least, Vishal. आपका भी स्वागत है पंजाब के स्क्वाड में. This is a great selection, yaar. What a team! What a team! अब मैं कैसे रख रही हूँ मुझे पता नहीं कैसे. सिर्फ 2-3 teams उठ चुकी हैं, including Punjab and Mumbai, because our purse has money, but our team is full. So we don't need to stay here any longer. Sarpanch Saab, Ness, CEO, everyone has left the chat. And in our chat, you can tell us if you're happy about this selection. It has been a wonderful auction. क्या बढ़िया squad है. And इतनी chill team मैंने आज तक IPL auction में कभी भी नहीं देखी. Thank you for joining us. I will promise that I'll get you more insider information all the time. Please keep cheering for Punjab Kings. बस जीतना है.